going to try kind of a variation on the backbeat today. We normally with the backbeat have gone 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now we're going to change up our right hand. And instead of going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, we're going to go 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. So instead of 2 hits per beat, it'll be 3. And we'll go a little bit slower to start. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. Let's try that with just our hands. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Sometimes we call this subdividing. So you're just dividing the beats in a different way. 1 and a 2 and a 3. Let's try just the bass drum and snare drum. Add the hand. This one definitely takes a little bit of getting used to at first. So don't be afraid to kind of do all of our normal strategies like just the hands and then the foot and the hand and then putting everything together. Nice. Awesome. Now let's try it with a bunch of different examples. Just as a note, during a lot of these videos, I put a little piece of cardboard, nothing fancy, underneath my foot so that I can hear it a little bit better. One thing I don't want to do when I'm practicing is feeling like I really have to stomp super hard because that's not how drummers play the bass drum. In fact, you could really hurt yourself and the drum set if you're playing that loudly. So putting something like an old cereal box or whatever underneath your foot so that you can hear it a little bit better without having to stomp can be super helpful.